This is a video to help you with the assignment titled Internet Scavenger Hunt, Reading to Children. So you will simply just open up the assignment in Google Docs, just through Google Classroom. You're going to use the internet to find the answers to these different questions. So number one, the question is, what is meant by the term literacy? So I would just use Google and type in definition of literacy. The definition of literacy is the ability to read or write. I would then come right back here and type in the definition. The term literacy is defined as the ability to read or write. I would then need to cite my source, so I would simply just type in google.com because that is where I got my source. You want to make sure you give proper credit to the individuals that deserve it. You will then go through and make sure you answer each one of these questions. At the end of answering all these questions, you will have a better understanding as to why it is important to read to children at a young age and what the benefits are to that.